The Dorbar Pelun of Erpakon village, Ribhoy, has resolved to evict all non-tribals residing or working within the village jurisdiction. This decision comes in after the brutal murder of 38-year-old Kermen Lingdo Nonglat, a local, by a non-tribal labourer employed at the RN Sharma Hotel. M. Thongni, headman of Erpakon, expressed that these decisions aim to prevent further incidents of violence and ensuring the security of villages' tribals. Furthermore, the Dorbar Pelun has also resolved not to issue any no-objection certificate to non-tribals intending to operate business within the village's jurisdiction from this point forward.
Di kadar berstang hi berkawai, kalarai hi dekawai kasur bah yang mentahi kadar berstang ni hapan permino yakin ki non travel ki badan apa istang jemi kumbalarai kumbalap benar. Tena kaliang jongi ka kadar berstang mila persangkat balak hi banyada hagwede berkene ka jingjia krang makan numdan kanu ka jingma ka jingmasau dei na kan ka senjam ni hapan ya cekmat hagwede berkene ka jingjia krang ba ikun samla ki nok susnong ki bemarjan marpa bagi jingbitar jongki kan pois kebentar keban hapan ya jat jeprah kebeja ya dei berka imlang salang.
And now the weather report.